In this video, I'll show you how to create a System.io account in a step-by-step process. In case if you don't know what System.io is, then System.io has a free plan which allows you to do all of these things for absolutely free with their free forever plan. So if you are interested in this kind of stuff, then you should definitely try to use System.io. So in order to create a System.io account, it is extremely simple. Before continuing, I have a small announcement for you. In case if you want to do each and everything inside System.io with the help of easy to follow step-by-step tutorials, and my System.io full course is for you. And I have given the link of that course in the description of this YouTube video. If you want to continue using System.io for lifelong, then this course is going to be a must-have thing for you. Now let's continue with our video. Firstly, click the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video, and you will be able to visit to this page. And once you reach to this page, just put your email address at here and then click on get my free account. And then it says almost there, you need to confirm your email address. So just go to your email address and you will get an email. Just click on that email and then click on this confirmation link. Now you need to create a password that you can remember. So just type the password that you can remember and just click on I'm not a robot, and then select all the images that has car and then click on verify. Now just click on save. Now you have created your System.io account in an easy way. You don't need to submit any credit card or anything else. Now you can do all of these things for absolutely free inside System.io free forever plan. That's it guys. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.